Good day, children. Now, let us see headlines expansion. You have done this years together, children. Anyways, we'll see some more examples here. We'll see some clues and also examples. Yes, children, we'll see some basic key points to remember. Here, no, children, this expanding headlines all, it's very simple, children. It's nothing, no, you expand the headlines that's given, news headlines. You would have seen in newspaper where the headlines, below the headlines, how it is expanded. It is up to your ideas, children, your views, your ideas. You expand the headlines with the help of your imagination. Now, for that purpose, no, we'll see some key points. First, no, you will add date and place. For example, March 30 or place like Tirchi. Any date you can add, any place. Then expand the abbreviation. Any abbreviation that's given to children, PM in full form you will write, like Prime Minister, CM, Chief Minister, like that. In full form you will write. Another thing, children, if you are clear, if you are sure of the abbreviation, you write. If you are not sure, if you really have some doubt in the abbreviation, you just leave off. Unless you are sure of any answer, children, don't give wrong answer so that you will lose your mark. Then rewrite the numbers in words. Any numbers, no, children, like 100 years, 2 years, 10 years, 50 years, you must go on with words, not in numbers. Then change infinitive forms into future continuous forms. Infinitive forms, no, children, to plus a verb, you will change into will be plus verb plus ing form you will change. Then change simple present verbs into present perfect form. Verb 1, no, children, that is simple present verb. You will change with the help of perfect tense. We have seen in active and passive voice, we saw, no, children, perfect tense has for singular and have for plural. If the headlines is in singular, you will go with has. If it is in plural, you will go with have plus verb 3 form. Then change simple past verb into passive form. Verb 2, no, children, that is simple past verb, you will change into passive form. Always, no, children, you must go on with the passive sentences. And here, no, children, in past, you will go with was for singular and were for plural. Now let us see the categories of news, children. The headlines that's given, it might be in various categories. All the headlines what you get, that will not be under same category. It might be in different categories. Now we'll see under what category you will get the news. You might get the news under future happenings, if not proud happenings. Future happenings, the forthcoming. Then proud happenings in the sense winning of any medal or match, such category. Sad happenings, it might be of someone's death or accident, something sad happenings. If not, it might be orders or official declaration, like holidays, government declaring holidays. All this comes under orders or official declaration, or other news. Apart from this 4 categories, you might have some other news, that is miscellaneous news also you might have. Now first you must understand the question that is given, it falls under which category, so that it might be easy for you to express your views. Now we'll come to the first category, children, format for headlines on future happenings. When you get question, no, children, on future happenings, how will you express? You will go on with date, place, then it has been reported by the reliable sources that dash dash will be, then verb plus ing. In this format you will go, children. We'll see example under this format. We'll see some example. Here is a question. Google to invest more in India. February 10, that is date. Then you will go to the place. Any place you can go, children. Now you will expand the headlines up to your idea. It has been reported by the reliable sources that Google will be investing more in India soon. In passive form. Okay. Now see the next example. Second example. PM to visit Chennai in May, March 12th, Chennai. It has been reported by the reliable sources that Prime Minister will be visiting Chennai in May. It's better to go with reliable sources, children, rather than going on, no, it is by said by so and so person, or so and so reporter has said. Instead of this, no, better you go on with reliable sources. That is, you might not be wrong in the information. That is the thing why this reliable sources is given. Okay, so according to the format, you can go on like this, children. Hope it is clear for you. Now we'll see next example, children. Next format we will see now. That is format for headlines on proud happenings. Proud happenings, na, happy thing, such as you will go with date, place. It is a proud moment to rejoice. Rejoice in the sense happiness. Then change the verb form to the accordingly. You will change the verb form. Now see. India wins Test series against Australia. Date C, February 10, Sydney. It's a proud moment to rejoice as India has won the Test series against Australia. Clear? You will go to the idea according to the question. You will add some phrases. That's it, children. Add, give date, place, where the incident took, on which date you give the date. Then add some phrases. Finish up within 2 sentences. A single or 2 sentences enough. Each carries 1 mark, children. Don't extract the matter so that you might go wrong in your explanation. 1 or 2 sentences is more than enough, children. Next sentence. Indian scientist discovers a new planet. March 12th, Sriharikota. That is the place given there. It is a proud moment to rejoice as an Indian scientist has discovered a new planet. See, the idea, it is taken from the question that's given. Along with the question, children, you expand your idea. Just add some 2 or 3 phrases and try to give the explanation. That will really help you to give you correct answer, children. The more you go with the explanation part, you might go wrong. Now we shall see the next format. Format for headlines on sad happenings. Sad happenings, no, already I told you, it might be some death or some accident or someone losing the match or something. This all comes under sad happenings. Whatever is question, children, first you will go on with the date, then place. It was a great mishap. That mishap, sad happenings. It is sad situation. Then change the verb from suitably. Okay. See here, children, look at the question how it's given. 75 killed in suicide attack in Pakistan. February 10, Pakistan. See, place is given in the question itself. You must be alert, children, when you give date and place. If the date is mentioned in the question, you must go on with the same date. You should not change the date. And if the place is also given in the question, you must go on with the same place. These 2 things, children, it's very important. If it's not given in the question, then you can go according to your wish. You can give any date and any place. But if it is mentioned, you must go according to it. Any information that is given in the question, you should not change that information. Apart from that information, you can add according to your imagination. You can add some more information. That's it, children. But you must not change the information that is given in the question. Now see here. February 10, Pakistan. It was a great mishap that 75 people were killed in a suicide attack in Pakistan yesterday. Okay, instead of yesterday, you can go, yes, no, you better go yesterday. The news should be fresh news. You should not go last week or last month. All no, that might be some old news. So yesterday, it's correct. Now next, passengers injured in an accident. March 12, E-Road. It was a great mishap. Mishap, sad happening, that passengers were injured in an accident near E-Road yesterday. Students, hope you are able to understand as I keep going on. to the question, you must go ideas along with the question. Now, format for headlines on official declaration. Officially, government declares certain orders. We'll see what is official declaration. First, you'll go on with the date, place. It has been officially declared that, you will go on what it is. Then use passive form of the verbs. Mobile phones banned in school. June 20, Chennai. It has been officially declared that mobile phones are banned in all the schools in Tamil Nadu. See how it is taken. It has been officially declared that. What it is declared? Mobile phones are banned in all the schools in Tamil Nadu. See, the entire question, you connect the question along to the answer. You just add one or two phrases or some words, then finish up the explanation part. Schools closed due to heavy rain. November 12, Chennai. It has been officially declared that all schools are closed due to heavy rain in Tamil Nadu. Date it's given, place, and in passive form it has gone. It has been officially declared. What it is declared? All schools are closed due to heavy rain in Tamil Nadu. It is clear for you all. Just practice, children. It depends, everything it depends on your practice. As much as you practice, you will be clear in whatever you do, children. Practicing is very important, children. Practice with some of the headlines. Take some question papers. Practice with some of the headlines, children, so that you will not go wrong during examination. Nothing, children. It's all, this expanding headlines, it depends on your imagination. This is up to your view, your imagination.